Hello, welcome back to Marciano Singson YouTube channel. But before I proceed, please subscribe muna. After you subscribe, push the notification bell, then like nyo na rin and share pathway niya. Then, yan nga, nag-selfie na lang ako, yan, mga kuha ko sa iba't ibang fourth of calls. So, yan, so, don't forget to like and share na lang tong video ko. And please subscribe.
Where's mom? Ano yung sabi mo? Send. Ayun na pala. Ang ganda ng Acrobat. Hindi nyo pinanood. Ang ganda. Acrobat, ang ganda. Pang-international. You see, I will show you the video. That's very nice show. Ha? O, circus. Pero acrobat siya, ang galing na sigawan nga eh. Dahil nga yung upuan, 5 patong, isa-isa niya. Ganda yung niya. Ganda yung niya. Ganda yung tempo. Champion pala sa Itbulaga. Champion pala siya. Champion ng Itbulaga. Sila. Yun, yung nag-perform. Magaling. Magaling. Pang-international na. Pwedeng international lang. Ganda eh, sigawan yung tao eh. Dahil kaya mo mahuhulog eh. Yung
gusto ko umakyat, pwede po tayo sumama kayo ng music ko na po sa iyo.
sa taas para kitang-kita lahat. Ay, sorry. Saan ba? Mainit yan ah. Dito sa harap. Ay sila oh. Dito sa harap. Yan, dito sa harap ay sila. Ayun o, Saira, ayun o, ayun o. Alamang dyan, mapasakay dyan, Derek. Init yan eh.
Dolphins, long believed to be the gentle souls of the deep and dangerous oceans. They have always fascinated us. We tell stories of dolphins saving lost sailors at sea. We admire their intelligence and sensitive nature. We love their smile. Join us today as we celebrate the sentinels of the seas.
The fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins. Well, here in Ocean Adventure, we have more dolphin species. We have a spinner dolphin, a tropical spotted dolphin, pygmy killer whale, and today you will be in the battle of those dolphins. Let's introduce our friends team one by one. First up is a female bottlenose dolphin. Her name is Big. Now folks, our dolphins are very ready, and they would like to welcome you with the night. Whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they? Are they fish?
No,
No, they are mammals, just like you and me. But how can we tell? First, fish move their tails from side to side like this. See that? That's so nice, right? But for dolphins, their tail floats that powers them in the water. It's moved up and down and side to side like a fish. Okay guys, show them how it really works. See that? Very nice. Now, we all know that our marine mammal friends breathe air. But how do they do it? Well, they use a blowhole on top of their head. Listen. That blowhole is a lid that opens and closes so the water gets inside. These dolphins are excellent divers. They can dive as big as 1,000 feet and hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. They also use a blowhole to pop, using a variety of clicks, squeaks, squawks, and whistles. Listen again. Wanna love the sound from the ocean, right? Now let's talk about the fins. You see that? The fin on their back is called the dorsal fin, and it's used to stabilize them in the water. And how about those two fins on either side of the fin? They have pectoral fins, and they use those fins to steering themselves through the water. Now let's talk about dolphins with their fins into action with some of their natural behaviors. First up, what the dolphins do when they want to see or move long distance? Come on, please show us. See that one? Jump high in the air. Just like that. Now what the dolphins do when they want to scratch their itchy skin? They do the bridge. Someone also bridge to catch fish or just to communicate with other dolphins. Now what the dolphins do when they want to show off and have fun? They do an amazing acrobatic aerial. So folks, how about a round of applause for our dolphin friends? As you can see, dolphins are streamlined and built for speed, right? Here's a trivia for you. Michael Phelps on his best place can reach 9.6 kilometers per hour. But our dolphins, they can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour. So guys, whenever you are ready, hit it! See that folks? That was smooth and fast. But wait, there is more. lucky guest down to meet our dolphins up close and personal. And there she is. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. What is your name? Ma'am Amelie, do you have your friends or family? Where? Hi, welcome to Ocean Adventure. Now, ma'am, are you ready to meet our dolphins? Yes, okay, picture please. Okay, now I want you to move closer to the crater island. Beside. Yes, okay. Kneel down and be. Okay, let's start with the friendly handshake with me. All you have to do is over your both hands. Just like that. Then rub your feet. And look the camera on the stage. And here's a little known secret about dolphins. They are very ticklish. So ma'am, why don't you try to tickle her right between on her pectoral bits? See what I mean? Now that you are best friends, let's play a little game. We trainers use some signals to communicate with our dolphins. So this time, you stick both your index fingers out like this, and then wiggle it. Wow, and I think she deserves a fish for that. Okay, is there a fish? Okay. You know what, dolphins are not just good singers, but they are also great dancers. So wow, are you ready to dance? Yes, and you stand up. And face your dolphins. Maestro, music please. Stretch your arms, then shake your hands. Move your hips. Get ready for a turn, okay? And how about side to side now? Come on, right. And of course, slide your hands. Wow, you got a rhythm with our dolphins. I think I'll should serve another thing for that. All I have to do is drop the fish. Okay, ma'am, let's try one more behavior, but this time we need to move to the other side to create a test. Okay. Okay, now you can go down the side, creating a test. Those for this behavior, we need to put our hands together, lift it out, and then pull it down. And let's see what will happen next. Okay, ready guys? Up, okay, one more time. Up and down, and look at the camera on the stage. Whoa! That was a good sketch. So now, are you okay? Yes. Okay. Hey Enzo, did you do that on purpose? Yes. Okay, but don't worry because we got another surprise for you. Stand up, and let's move to the right shoulder. And our surprise would be a photo with your newborn friends. Okay, one more time. Okay, man, you can kneel down beside Enzo, then hug him, then smile at the camera. Folks, we offer several opportunities to meet our dolphins up close and personal. If you had that once in a lifetime experience, just ask our friend the Fire Guides for more information. Wow. Okay, stand up. Thank you, Enzo. Okay, I'm going to space the audience again. So, ma'am, you've been a great guest, but before you go, I have another question for you. How does your hand smell? Smells fishy. Okay, don't worry because I will teach you some techniques that we trainers all over the world using in our hands, okay? All you have to do is stretch your arms, then shake your hands. Shake it real good, and then grab them on your shirt. Come on, try it. I'm just kidding. Thank you for being such a great guest. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. So, folks, how about a round of applause for our lucky guests? Moving single day. So folks, what do you think is their favorite reward? What? What do you think is their favorite reward? Fish, that's right, and they get only top quality fish every day. Is that right, dolphins? Yes, okay, graders, what do we have there? Fish, oh, small fish. Okay, try to offer to them. Oh no. Okay, I get it. How about a handful of fish or a big fish? Okay, try it. See that? That is an example of dolphins training their graders. No, I'm just kidding, but training is based on grass. The truth is, we have developed a very special bond with our dolphin friends. And right now, we would love to show you what that is. strong and graceful. They are intelligent, sensitive, and playful. So it's time to put it all together. So sit back, relax, and celebrate with our dolphin friends.
Let's sing now. Ay, wala yung baby niya.
sensitive beings they really are. If they could leave you with one lasting message, it would be this. Well, folks, they want me to remind you that they are here representing their cousins in the wild. And it's sad to think that as we sit here, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are being needlessly slaughtered for food. Every year, tens of thousands of marine animals are being poisoned by the waste and washed way up in the ocean and drowned in the fishing nets we carelessly leave behind. This is sad, senseless, but it is true. So it's time for us humans to respect and protect our fragile ocean and all the marine creatures that live in them, before they are lost to us forever. Remember, you can make a difference because they are counting on you. So on behalf of the entire Ocean Adventure family, we would like to say thank